I put my hands down my pants right now, I'd be a spitting image of Joey Tribbiani.
I don't think you're recording.
Mm-hmm.
But the red light's not on.
But it's recording.
But how come the red light's not on?
There is no red light.
Oh, right! You told me
That's a blue light. That's for like
Oh,
for the timer.
Hey.
No. Okay, tell us people that we have to act like, and people in the whole world. Remember that day we pretended to be Olivia? Like our friend Olivia? Or was that me?
Oh.
Yeah, it was us.
Be Olivia then.
Like now?
Yeah.
Get off me, man. You're like uber cool. Like uber. Like, oh my god. Shoes. Oh my god. Shoes. Let's get some shoes.
You should download that song.
I can't download anything.
Oh.
You could listen to it on
Give us
YouTube
some
though.
roll. Okay.
Asha.
Poke me. Roll.
Elvis.
Elvis?
Yeah.
Wait, nothing but a ham dog. Elvis sings that.
Okay.
For real.
Okay.
New roll.
Whatever.
New rolls are
What?
thing for me.
What? You
New-
want
Chandler.
Chandler who?
Sing.
What? Okay, Christina and I used to be Chandler. Chandler, could you be any more annoying?
Could you be where you
Spit in my mouth!
like you be?
That was okay. Roll.
Oh! Can I see your bottle? Please, can I see your bottle?
Wow, that sounds like a chicken.
I know, it's one of my few talents.
Be Chance.
You should have seen her today. She was like, yep. What?
My shirt went glowing up. Hi, I'm Chance. I use sensitive ways to gain guys' attention.
Should have seen her today. She was like, yeah. And she'd just be standing there and she'd be like, it was funny.
Hey, can you give us something new?
Oh my gosh.
Janice.
Okay, Janice didn't burp. I just had to let that one free.
Stewart!
I don't wanna. Hey, look what I can do. Look what I can do.
You know what?
What?
You know what? I sent Lindsay out into the universe.
Wow. That's pretty emotional.
I know. I sent you out into the universe.
Could you give us some new acting roles?
Sorry, it was bugging me.
I know, it's with my hair tonight. It's fabricated. I can snort better than you. Let's have a snorting contest. Okay, ready? Snort.
Taylor?
What?
The snorting contest sounds kind of funny. It's like snorting
Okay, ready?
Oh,
Snort. It's your
I
turn.
can't.
Well, who won the last time?
Taylor.
Okay. Go. That was pretty powerful.
No.
Okay. Let me warm up.
Wow, that hurt my brain so much. Who was that time?
Courtney.
Do you want to enter the snorting contest? I can snort pretty loud. You want to see? No?
Snort, Taylor. Do it, Taylor.
What's the stick?
I know. Because I'm here.
It looks like a bowl.
I thought you said a boy, and I was like, whoa.
Oh, well.
taking the chair to be friendly. Hey, baby.
It's a tradition. It's a tradition.
I do every year, actually.
Yeah.
At some point in the day. Ah, okay.
What time is it?
Oh,
10:30.
Oh my gosh, I'm up this late?
Are you gonna die?
Yes.
we're pretty special, aren't we, Joey?
Good night.
Good night.
We'll try be quiet.
I don't think that's possible for Lindsay.
I even snort loudly. Do I snore?
Yes.
Like a bull?
I don't know. No, you don't snore.
You know who snores loud?
Who?
My dad.
My dad snores too.
So does my mom.
Do I snore? My mom, when she snores, she's like...
My mom snores as loud as my grandpa, and that's loud.
My dad's like...
Yeah, that's like my grandpa.
That's actually my grandpa.
I'm okay with
Do you know how my grandpa sneezes?
No.
Be zen. Okay, roll.
Be my dad.
But I don't like to be on film. I don't like to be on film. I don't like to be on the film. I will hit you up. To be on my
I'm a doctor.
Yes, would you
I'm
like
going back
medication?
to my computer now.
That looks really cool. Okay, I'm gonna end this. It's getting pretty long.
Okay.